Eggnog. Fill a large bar glass 1/2 full with shaved ice. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoonful of bar sugar, 3/4 jigger of brandy, 1/2 jigger of Jamaica rum. Fill up with milk, shake thoroughly, strain into a tall thin glass and serve with a little nutmeg grated on top. Eggnog, bowl of 3 gallons. Beat the yolks of 20 eggs until thin and stir in 2½ pounds of bar sugar until the sugar is thoroughly dissolved. Into this mixture pour 1½ pints of Jamaica rum, 2 quarts of old brandy. Mix the ingredients well by stirring. Then pour in the milk slowly, stirring all the while to prevent curdling. Pour carefully over the top of the mixture the whites of the eggs, which have been beaten to a stiff froth. Fill punch glasses from the bowl with a ladle and sprinkle a little nutmeg over each glassful.